welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a very special one, and that is one that we are going to be using 5 of our surround templates for. We're using the 2.5, 2.75, 3, 3.25, and the 3.5. Making all of those, we will end up with all of these pieces. And we are going to be making a spring flower out of all of these. So for this, you're going to need all 5 of these templates. They are in the Brilliant Bow Maker kit. This is the surround template pack. You're going to need 3/8 inch ribbon to cover all of them. I would recommend 5 different colors. You can do solids and prints like I've done, or you can just do solids, either or. You're going to need scissors, a lighter. You're going to need needle and thread to sew them all up. You are also going to need your glue gun, the clip of your choice, and a center. I am using one of these sparkly little buttons that I got at Walmart like forever ago. They might still have them. I'm not 100% certain. We are going to start off with the largest 2. I'm going to add a dollop of glue inside the largest one. Taking the next size one, you're going to offset it so that the loops go in between the first one. Press down and make sure everything sticks. I am going to come through now before we go any further and glue the clip on. Just put a line of glue on the back of the clip of your choice. I would recommend, if you are using a double prong clip, that you line it really well just so that it sticks. This will have no center wrap, so you want to ensure that the clip you glue on is going to stay on. It's really important to press down and ensure that it sticks. We'll come back and clean up that glue in a minute. All right, now that your clip is on, you're going to continue on with gluing loops. Add a dollop of glue. Grab your 3rd loop. This would be the 3-inch one. Match it up with the largest first loop. And press down. And you're going to keep going on. This one is the 2.75, and it's going to match the 3.25. Remember, offset it so it goes between the loops. Press down flat. All right, and our last one, which is the 2.5. Add a little dollop of glue because this is a very small one. Look at how tiny that is. I'm going to try to make a boutique bow out of just 3-inch ribbon and see how that turns out. I'm kind of excited for that. I'm going to match that up with the 1st and the 3rd one. Making sure to press down so that everything sticks. That is the flower thus far. You can put whatever you want on the middle. I am just taking this. And to do that, this just makes sure that everything in here gets hidden, because that is a whole lot of thread. I could have avoided that by using thread that matched, but I don't have upholstery thread in all these colors, so. And I put way too much glue in there. And if you do what I do and you do that, that's where these orange sticks come in handy. And just go ahead and scrape out the excess glue that you put in there. Or you could be like me and just make a huge mess in the process. Huge mess. And I'm going to attempt to go in with my lighter and not burn myself, but clean up my mess. All right, we are done. This is a very, very pretty ribbon, and it measures just over 3 inches around. This would be really great on top of like a ponytail or even on a headband. This would look really sweet. I would suggest stiffening it. Stiffen it to the gods, because this is going to crumble if you don't. But thank you guys for watching. I know this is a little bit shorter than normal. If you liked this video, please click the like button, share it to somebody you think might be interested in this. I will link all of my supplies and all of the ribbon down below. If you have not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button. I'm going to be doing a subscriber giveaway soon. So anybody who is not subscribed will not be entered into that giveaway. We are looking at between 30 to 40 yards of ribbon. There's some flowers, nylon headbands, a basic starter kit for you guys. There's 2 of them to give away, so you don't want to miss that out. If you have subscribed and you have not set your notifications to all, please click that bell button right next to the subscribe button. Set your notifications to all so you're notified every time I upload a new video. We will be back in the next video with our fantasy creatures, which is a mermaid bow, and I will be using some of the faux leather that I got in my Temu haul. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those down below. Any bow tutorials you would like to see, also leave those down in the comment section below. Make sure to check the description box for any pertinent links for templates, ribbon, etc. And in that description box is also a link to our Instagram account. Please check that out. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you again next video. Bye.